Hi class, today we're going to discuss something very good, that is CVM. What does that mean? It means CVM means Canadian Wildlife Federation, of course. According to Canadian Wildlife Federation, 21% of land, the flora of Canada, they are in the risk of extinction. This is another good sign here. This is you call them a red flag, that is. Let me explain what wildlife is. Wildlife. Remember, wildlife mean undomesticated flora and fauna. Part animal. A particular area, you call them wildlife. Undomesticated because domestication is always under the control of human. My goodness. So they have a value. Wildlife have a value, and that's why Canadian Wildlife Federation is working on different plant and animal, even that should to be conserved there. And their work is probably the best work. I always appreciate being a biology student. That is, anyhow, they have a value like aesthetic value. Second, they have a scientific value. They have ecological value, as well as they have a commercial value. The last but not the least, that is a game value. My goodness. Aesthetic value, aesthetic sense. Everybody have aesthetic sense, and that is the pursuit thing of literature is. When you go to British Columbia, BC, the Canadian called Beautiful Columbia, as well as in Alberta, you will find its scenic beauty is. That scenic beauty marked because, that particular territory is beautiful, because a particular plant animal is. And of course, more than 700 lakes has been found in Alberta. My goodness, since the big value is. Suppose plant and animal, they have research purposes being used, plants as well as animals too. So the wildlife, especially the medicine used for the medication purpose, as well as, for example, in valve that used for the special purposes. Most deer they have that. Most deer and the perfume they can be used, so they have a commercial value, and the important is ecological value. We know ecosystem meaning interaction between living and non-living, interaction between biotic and abiotic. So energy flow, interaction, and the stable ecosystem will tell us energy diagram, energy flow diagram, energy flow diagram. So more energy will flow, more stability, ecosystem, and ecosystem, of course, the home of organisms. So they will tell us the plant and animal either habitat or habit, that is. So these things are enormously important. Then again, I mentioned these things just like ecological with commercial value. Where commercially we're going to use these things. For example, when you go to the Niagara waterfall is the widest fall in the world. Of course, they have 3 waterfalls here: Shuhar's Fall, Bridal Well Fall, and of course Niagara is. Anyhow, Niagara person, they have the attraction of tourists. Of course, there are ecotourism. Ecotourism means they have eco-friendly when you go there, so you don't have to disrupt the ecosystem, the natural ecosystem, but you have to give value. Even you should have to adopt those things which is eco-friendly. Give the benefit to the local market, and you don't push even some sort of garbage not going to be here and there. So that is game value. I'm not going to recommend such a thing, guys, but anyhow, that is ecosystem. In ecosystem, something hunting gonna be allowed, but according to certain rules to be followed. So hunting and fishing, they are going to allow these things, guys. Anyhow, the important is some animal in Canada, they have very important. Those is beaver. Beaver is called Canadian national animal. That is important. Remarkable role that is. how they are important. They make a dam which slow down the flow of water. So 80 to 85% of native North American fauna, obviously they are wetlands. Once again, the fauna of native North American wetlands, so they're extremely important in ecological point of view. In the same patient, bacteria which they live in the gut, they break down stomach, they help in digestion of foods. So beaver build the dams from mud, stone, sticks, and those large branches, the large mount with underwater. So of course they have their own importance too. The entrance provide to the beaver with protective from the predators, so because they're underwater, so they will protect themselves from the predator, and also help to flood, the flood providing additional lake and stream and habitat. So wow, oh my goodness. So